Okay. First, open that one.
Closing, okay? Pull it out.
Okay.
So open the rig.
Mm.
Here bobbin is. Okay?
Mm.
Take the bobbin, keep here.
Okay.
Thread.
Aray ko puti.
Keep thread there. Okay? This electric.
Sorry. This is the only color,
Light.
pink?
Okay?
Where
Now
is
you
light?
have here switch there. Eh?
Oh, okay.
You have two stopper here. One and one this one. So you can close this one
Mm-hmm.
there. If sometime if you are lost, so you just keep this one. Okay? So keep this one first.
It's just for
Stop it.
lock.
Yeah, lock only. First you will put inside here. In there. Just take that. Okay? Then this ball you take opposite X like this
Okay.
and tighten the bobbin. Okay? Push there. Working. This one put the foot, huh? When written, working there. Okay, always there. This one, bobbin only. Okay. Now take it out.
And then change another.
Keep inside. And open it. Where is the open face? There. Okay? And pull it out.
Okay.
Like this, okay? This one, put inside. See, needle make it up. Then open the lock here and put there. Go in there, the locker. Okay? Then close. Okay? Now you remove from ball. Go to the right way. Okay? Take the picture. Then U-turn. Make here. Number U-turn first. And here also one time. See, movement the needle. So coming up. Make U-turn also there. All left to right. Okay?
Okay.
Now, before needle, there is one hook. Hold the end of the thread. Then make hook there. You check one
Okay.
more. Only like this. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you put the pressure put down. Check here tension. Thread tension, this is the one. See, this is coming loose more, too much.
Okay.
So, just to try 3.5, 4 medium, like this. Okay? This is correct for tension. No need to remove change. Because this is thread very good also thread, that's why. And straight.
Yeah, I can see from here. You want to put me? You want? I will put it for you.
No, finish it because there is
Okay, perfect. And then
hold the thread, needle put down and take it up. So pull the thread that down. See, coming now, just wait. Pull thread together and take the back and keep there and here cutting here. Okay?
you don't need the scissor
No
also.
need scissor also. There, cut it. Cutter there. Now,
Oh my God, I'm so professional tailor now. I will be making all your clothes.
if you have alteration, you have alteration for pant or shirt something like
Just
this.
wait for me. Okay.
Your alteration like this, huh?
Alteration.
Just keep it from there and you can turn it. Stitching, okay?
Okay.
Now, no, if you know it, so you close today. This one, close there. Keep the back and stitch there.
Straight.
This is stitch position there. This is length 2 or 3. 2 medium. This is lock reverse stitches. Then starting.
There's also reverse.
Yeah, number 3 long stitches. Number 4 more longer. You can remove. Number 2 medium. This is last end of you make lock. Only press and ഒരു മഞ്ഞ ത്രെഡ് വേണം അവക്ക്. See, now tension good. This is long stitches number 3, number 4. You can take it out. This is medium for stitching for your cloth. Number 2. Okay. So number 2 is the correct for your section. Now you will go to the these stitches once middle up. Okay. This one side running. So take from the zigzag small. Then little bigger. Then little more bigger. Then this is the large. Small width.
Yeah.
Coming to that. Now you will take out this distance. See. Number 1. Make it half. Half. Distance for here. Near. So coming to near. You need zigzag small. Make it small also. See more distance near 0, but don't put the 0 near. Okay? Like this the one. Now you will change pattern. This is pattern elastic stitches. This one pattern also. Same nearest. Make nearest more. You can make the pattern together like this. Okay?
Okay.
This is stitches from there. Take pattern, your idea that you want to make it like this. Any pattern, you just make it change this one.
Yeah.
The needle should be up, make it the pattern.
Okay, I get it.
You get it, okay? Until here, you can change now. Take it up. Now I will go to section number 2. Just pull it out this one. Okay?
Okay.
Take from there button holder. This is button holder foot. Just blank it back.
What is that?
Button holder. See.
But
You just put this one under there. Okay?
okay.
And pull back. Keep there. Like this, okay? And now you start button holder. Your button, what is the sizes? You just put there and mark.
Give one button.
One or pencil is that? Pen.
Here, the pen.
I want to take the one picture. What the karta delia button will button. Example. This is your button. Okay? You want to make button holder. So first you make mark. Okay? Mark. Now first mark you keep there. Your full ear charging. Okay? Full first change here. Position button holder. Position button holder. Make here first number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. 4 step button holders. Starting the number 4. Okay? The needle first mark you put down. Okay? Now you put the pressure put there. Start now until second mark there. Until second mark. Okay? Now you will change now 3. Only 3-4 stitches, okay? Now you check number 2, return to back. Automatically going. Until beginning. Go slowly. Go slowly like this, okay?
Okay.
Then after number 1, the closing. Again, this is closing. Now you got it. I will show you nearest mark. Keep there. Coming to hand mark the closing. Now you start number 4, starting part. Make nearest a little more. Number 3, low cut. Number 2, return to back. Beginning end. Number 1, lock. 3 and 1 lobe. Take it up. Cut from there. And you hear that. Cutter here. So very slowly, careful to your cloth. You close like this. This is your button holder. Okay? Now button holder that. So this is only for button holder, 4-step button holder. So the position there, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay?
Okay.
Now I will change this one again. Take it out. This one I change. Okay? This one finish now, this finish now. Now I will show you these two partner. This is fixing the button also. Machine. If you don't have the by hand, you don't like the by hand, fix that. These two pointed, keep there the close holes. Just like this. Go inside, okay? And pick up the thread from down there. Again, okay? Now you put this one there. Okay? This finish now. First your button holder finish
Every
now.
time you change this, you click something or no?
No, only press
Okay.
and peel it
press.
up. Okay, only like this,
Hold
okay?
and press. Okay.
Yeah. So this is button.
Okay.
Indian type of motor വിളിച്ചിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ എന്നെ അത്. Now you check here. Indian motor
Okay, by
full shuttle.
water.
इसका ऐसा machine है देखो. Full shuttle. अभी this one button, fixing the button. You know what you will do? This one don't care. This one no need. Only check here. Where is stitches? This one your stitches marker.
Yeah.
Which is another one side stitches. There. Needle movement there. Go. Okay. Keep there. Holes make it straight. The first holes keep down. Okay.
Okay.
Now pressure put down. Now try 1-2 times. This one okay, good, okay. It's okay. Nothing problem. Okay.
Okay.
Now you will go to the second horse.
Aywa.
Change from position zigzag. See running. Araka. See. Holes, where is the holes? Check there. Okay.
Okay.
Movement. Okay. So you start now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then return to back. Needle make it up. Don't put down like this. Make up. Then return to same position. Stitches there.
To
So
lock.
more strong then.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, you get it? Finish. This is one for fixing the button. You when you are changing always, needle make it up and kick this one. Pull out. Okay? This one take it up. This is always partner that. This one for zipper, you can change. This
Yeah.
one. But don't put zigzag, only stitches. Stitches length.
Number
You
2.
want the left or right, check here. Here. Sometime your position there.
Sometime I position like that.
Yeah, sometime here. So you use this one here. Here, this side. Okay? See. This one you kick there. Now here needle there. Okay? So come in this one side here. This side is can stitches. Okay? One lock here, lock kick here, then start first. Slowly. Okay? This is left and right only put. Even you can make like this. Stitches, bias. Also that is the one.
This is the one I
All
have to use.
stitches, everything. Bias, one side only looking. This is the only one. Finish everything to for you. This is screwdriver. You can change the needles. Sometimes needle you cannot open, so here. Okay?
Okay.
And bobbin is tighted, that one, also that. This is screwdriver, okay? This is needle extra for your and bobbin for bobbin also. So everything I will keep it here. This one, and this partner together. This together, I will make it here. So you know it will. I keep that. I will give the one needle for your for jeans medium. This is for I will give the one free. Okay. There is already one there medium. This is number 16. You can use for jeans. Pick any color, no problem. Medium also.
That's
This
it.
is-
And this one.
Okay. This one put it also stick. फुल शटल वाला कोई अच्छा है
Here, this one more.
This is here.
Okay.
This one here tools.
Oh, okay.
Okay? I put one needle for you, free. This one only just like this, inside. Go. Okay? Now, I will make stitches position for here. You
Okay.
can stitches there. Close. But don't make it loose this one,
The perfect number is
Perfect number 3 and 4. Between
3 and
there.
4. Okay.
Yeah. If you come into loose down, you make number 4. Okay? That is about for thread.
Between 4 and 3. Huh?
Yeah. Make it nearest to 4. Okay, no problem.
You don't have any other color, only pink?
This is new colors. This one. 3 colors, 3 symbol, different. This is like very latest color. Guy.
Pink is not my color. So girly.
Okay.
Kalas, ha?
Yeah. Only